Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to restore Windows Photo Viewer in Windows 11. Let's get into the video. Now before we begin, I'd like to mention that this method works on Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. So, the first thing you need to do is click the link in the description below to download the folder that has the registry file to bring back Windows Photo Viewer. So you need to extract it. You can just use the built-in extracting software that Windows has. And you can just double click on the folder. So just double click on that and you'll see 4 registry files. One that has Windows Photo Viewer to add it to all users, or just a current user, and just to undo Windows Photo Viewer on all users or your current user. So we're going to run the Windows Photo Viewer on all users. So you can double click on it and click yes. It'll say, are you sure you want to continue? Click yes and click OK. Now we can close out of this. We can go to the search and type default apps. You can hit enter and you'll need to go look for photos. And you'll see all of this here. You can click it. You may need to go for more apps and you can see here Windows Photo Viewer has been added. So I found some images within the Windows folder in the C drive, and I'll show you a demonstration of what Windows Photo Viewer looks like. So you can click on it, right click and click open with, and you can see here that Windows Photo Viewer comes up. We click that, it'll want us to use the Photos app. Click Windows Photo Viewer, click OK, and you can see that it's opened up in Windows Photo Viewer. You can go into full screen. You can't pin it to your taskbar, of course, but all the functions work. You can see, and it looks cool. Going back and forth works. Using the magnifying tool works. The cropping stuff works. Everything works, and you can and the deleting the file stuff works as well. So that's how to bring back Windows Photo Viewer in Windows 11. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and comment down below what you thought in this video or if it helped you out. Thanks for watching and hope you have a great day.